Hello everyone. Today we are doing a practical based on finding the IP address and MAC address of devices connected in a network. The tool we are going to use is Angry IP Scanner. I am using my Kali Linux operating system to do this practical. Angry IP Scanner is not installed in our Kali Linux. We have to download it. Visit the official website of Angry IP Scan and download software supporting for Linux machine. Here we are using Kali Linux, so download tool for Debian OS. After downloading, visit the download location and open a terminal there. To install Debian package, use the command dpkg, then tool name. If you are a Kali user, use sudo command alone with this. Once installation is completed, you can search for Angry IP Scanner alone with the tools. After setting Angry IP Scanner, it will automatically looks for the IP range based on your IP. There is not more than 50 machine in this network, so I am not performing full scan. You can adjust up on your need. The machine IP is listed here. The red color indicate there is no machine by that IP address. Blue color means machines are there but no open port. And green color indicating where a port is found is open. Now we get the summary of scanning. There are 23 live hosts. Let me confirm the IP is available or not. I am sent ping request to an IP indicated in red color. You can see that machine is unreachable. Now let's try with one IP indicated in blue color. You can see it's sending request back, so machine is connected. The TTL value returned is 128. So it's a Windows-based machine. TTL means time to live. Only Windows machine return TTL value as 128. Let me show with my Linux machine IP. You can see here TTL value returned is 64. Both Linux and Mac OS return 64 as TTL value. Now I will show an alternate method where we can see both IP and MAC address of all devices connected in Wi-Fi. This is by ARP scan. Here it is finding all live machine including IP and MAC address. Same operation can be performed using Angry IP Scanner. From the Fetches option, add MAC address into the list. It will find MAC address of devices. Here I am finding vendor of the devices. I hope you understood it. See you in next video.